Court is in session on its announcement docket. Now, we will proceed to cases where our defendants has not answered. The court's announcement docket was scheduled for 9 a.m. this morning on January 25th of 2021. First case we're going to be calling is Bryson Guillory. Bryson Guillory was scheduled to be in court this morning for 9 o'clock for the court's announcement docket. His name was called at or about 9 o'clock by the court's bailiff. He did not answer. Mr. Guillory has not appeared in court. Mr. Charles McIntosh, his attorney, has appeared in court. Just note for the record that Mr. Guillory was scheduled to be in drug court this morning, and as well, and he has not appeared here. He has not been in court. The time is 12 o'clock noon, and he has not appeared. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Bryson Guillory?
Bryson Guillory. Bryson Guillory. No response, Your Honor.
Bryson Guillory has not his name was just called by the court's bailiff at 12 noon. He did not answer again, and a reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Guillory an opportunity to appear in court. Therefore, his bond will be forfeited. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections. Mr. Guillory's bond will be forfeited. Warrant will be issued for his arrest, but at this time, we will put a hold on that just to see whether or not he's still in court. Okay, so we'll hold off on the bond forfeiture right now. The next case we have, the next individual has two cases. Cause number 326628 and cause number 326752. Both cases are styled the State of Texas versus Ruby Gosey. And Ms. Gosey was scheduled to appear in court on the court's announcement docket this morning at 9 a.m. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff. She did not answer. Since the court has been in session, she has not appeared. The time is 12:02 p.m. And Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Ruby Gosey?
Ruby Gosey. Ruby Gosey. No response, Your Honor.
Ms. Gosey, name was just called by the court's bailiff. She did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Gosey an opportunity to appear in court. She did not appear in court, therefore, a warrant of her bond shall be forfeited. State, do you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
With no objections, Ms. Gosey's bond will be forfeited, and a warrant for her arrest shall be issued. Next case we have is cause number 327040, the State of Texas versus Justin Leblanc. Mr. Leblanc was scheduled to be in court at 9 a.m. this morning on today's date, January 25th, 2021. His name was called by the court's bailiff at or about 9 a.m. He did not answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session, and the time is 12:03 p.m. And Mr. LeBlanc is not in court. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Justin LeBlanc?
Justin LeBlanc. Justin LeBlanc. No response, Your Honor.
Bailiff just called the name again of Justin LeBlanc. He has not answered. Reasonable time has passed for Mr. LeBlanc to appear in court. Therefore, his bond will be forfeited. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. Mr. LeBlanc's bond shall be forfeited, and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket and the court's pretrial docket.